Our first example here, finding unknown numbers. Find two consecutive odd integers whose product is 23 more than its sum. Okay, so they want me to find two consecutive odd integers. And here's the restrictions. The product is 23 more than the sum. So I don't know what these odd integers are. Let me imagine them on the number line. First integer is unknown, but the next odd integer is going to be 2 more than the first. So these are my two odd integers, x and x plus 2. So the product is x times x plus 2. And the sum is x plus 2. Okay. So let me translate this into an equation. Product x times x plus 2 is 23 more than the sum x plus 2. Okay, so that relates the known with the unknown and sets up my equation. Then I just need to solve. So I definitely need to get rid of parentheses, remove parentheses here by the distributive property. X times x is x squared and x times 2 is 2x. And on the right side, removing parentheses is just a matter of distributing a 1, so it doesn't change anything. Then I want to combine like terms. On the right side, x plus x is 2x's altogether. And 2 plus 23 is 25. So I can see that I am working with a quadratic equation because the highest degree is 2. So that means I need to get 0 on one side. So first I need to get 0 on one side. Let's opposite everything from the right side. So minus 2x and minus 25 so that I can get 0 on the right. So x squared and minus 25 equals 0. So now I want to completely factor the other side. So this is a difference of x squared and 5 squared. So it will have two factors of the sum and difference of x and 5. So lastly, by the zero product property, set each of those factors containing a variable equal to 0, and then solve those resulting equations. So x equals negative 5 and x equals positive 5. So are these odd integers? Let's see. They have to be consecutive odd integers. So if the first integer is negative 5, then the next would be negative 5 plus 2, which is negative 3. So negative 5 and negative 3. Do those work? The product, let me check. So the product is positive 15, and that's going to be 23 more than the sum, which is negative 8. Yep. That works out. So let me check the other integer, 5. If x is 5, then 5 plus 2 is 7. Let's see if that works as well. We could have two answers to this question, so let's see. The product of 5 and 7 is 23 more than the sum of 5 and 7. Yep, that's true as well. So what that means is that we have two conclusions. The numbers are negative 5 and 3 and 5 and 7. These both work for these restrictions.